Hello friends, I am VM. In this video I will show you how to install M.2 Nvme in all-in-one PC, Dell all-in-one PC. This all-in-one PC is Core i3 9th generation. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, press this lock and slide back cover. Okay, so open, cover is open. Now check here, this is all-in-one HDD. Press this lock to slide to remove hard disk. This is all-in-one hard disk. Connect hard disk. Now open cover screws. Okay, in this cover 5 screws. Open all screw, remove this cover. Now check, this is a Nvme M.2 Nvme slot. Okay, now I am going to show you how to connect this Nvme to motherboard. Check this notch and then connect. Okay, after connect this Nvme, fix the screw, close motherboard cover. Okay, close cover and fix the screws. Okay, close this back cover, slide cover. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.